Okay, so this is another example from 7.5. This is systems of inequalities. Okay, so we actually have 3 different inequalities here. All of these, actually, if you put equal signs, are lines. So let's start with the first one. Okay, here's the first inequality. First thing I'm going to do is put an equal sign. And I went ahead and found the x and the y-intercepts. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and graph it. So I have a straight edge. You could do the same thing. Okay, so I went ahead and graphed it with a solid line. So just remember, if it's less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you do a solid line. If it's less than or greater than, you do a dashed line, like they mentioned in the PowerPoint. Okay. The next thing I'm going to decide is what shape part am I going to shade in, this part or this part. So I pick a test point on either side. Again, I pick 0, 0 because it's not on the line. I plug it in here, and it's true. So that means I want to shade in this part. Okay, so we did the first inequality. Now let's go to the other inequalities. The first one, if I set that equal, that's going to be a vertical line going through -5. So I'm going to go ahead and plot that here. In fact, while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and label these. This is x is equal to -5. Here's the other one. Okay. And then the other one is a horizontal line going through 2. So I'm going to graph that one while I'm at it too. Kind of messy there. Okay. Now we have to decide what part do we shade in. The first one says x is greater than or equal to -5. So if this is -5 greater than, I'm going to wait till this focuses. There we go. So greater than -5 is what it says here. That'd be everything to the right. So I'm looking for this part. And then y is less than or equal to 2 would be everything down here. Okay, so you have to see what they all have in common. And that's what we want to shade in. So they all have in common from here all the way down. Now, if it's easier, you could do 3 different colors. You could do 1 for this shading, 1 for this shading, and 1 for this shading, and then see what they have in common.